Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play your Xbox Fortnite account on PC. First, it's crucial to understand that your Fortnite progress is tied to your Epic Games account, not directly to your Xbox. You'll need to ensure your Xbox account is already linked to your Epic Games account. If not, you can do this through the Epic Games website. Once confirmed, your next step is to download and install the Epic Games launcher onto your personal computer. This launcher is the gateway to all your Epic Games titles, including Fortnite. After installing the Epic Games launcher, open it up on your computer. You'll then need to log in using the exact same Epic Games account credentials that are linked to your Xbox profile. This is vital for accessing all your existing progress and items. Once logged in, navigate to your library within the launcher. You should easily find Fortnite listed there. Simply click to install the game, which typically requires about 30 gigabytes of free storage space, and you'll be ready to jump into the action. One of the best features of Fortnite is its seamless cross-progression. This means all your hard-earned progress, including your Battle Pass level, V-Bucks, and every cosmetic item you've collected, is securely stored within your Epic Games account. When you log in on your PC, all these elements will automatically sync up, appearing exactly as they do on your Xbox. There's absolutely no need to manually transfer any data or files. Epic Games handles it all for you, ensuring a consistent experience across platforms. To make the most of your Fortnite experience on PC, consider optimizing your settings. You can adjust graphics quality to match your computer's capabilities, aiming for a smooth frame rate, ideally 60 frames per second or higher. Decide whether you prefer playing with a controller, which many Xbox players are accustomed to, or switching to a keyboard and mouse for potentially greater precision. Finally, always ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection to minimize lag and enjoy uninterrupted gameplay with your friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.